10 Suitcase Packing Hacks for the Next Time You Travel. Studies show that 81% of Americans think they're pretty good at packing luggage. Yet, are you guilty of shoving your toiletries into the side pockets or sitting on your suitcase to force it to shut? If so, there's an easier way. There are many ways to pack well and keep your sanity at the same time. Today, we're sharing a list of 10 travel packing hacks that will transform the way you prepare for your next trip. Number 10. Leave space for souvenirs. If you stuff your suitcase full before you even leave home, where do you expect to stash all of the souvenirs you collect during your trip? There are two ways to make room. First, you can simply leave extra space inside of your bag. I fill the space with bubble wrap, which is useful if whatever we want to bring home is fragile. Or, you can bring older clothing items that you don't mind leaving behind. Wear the clothes during your trip and plan to donate them before you leave your destination. Number 9. Make your suitcase memorable. There's nothing like the sinking feeling in your gut as you see hundreds of bags pass through the conveyor belt and you still haven't spotted yours. That's why it's helpful to make yours unique. From personalized details to a colorful accessory, make it as easy as possible to find your bag and prevent others from mistaking it as theirs among a sea of black and brown options. Number 8. Keep your belt in your collar. Going on a professional work trip or traveling somewhere fancy? To keep your collar stiff, slip your belt inside. This saves space in your bag and keeps your formal wear from getting smashed under heavier items. If you do a lot of business travel, you can also invest in convenient collar stays. Number 7. Put plastic wrap under toiletry lids. Anyone who's ever opened a bottle of lotion after a flight knows. The increase in air pressure can cause plastic bottles to swell, resulting in an explosion and creating a gigantic, liquid mess. To help prevent this from happening, take off the toiletry lid, place a layer of plastic wrap under each lid, and screw the lid back on. This helps prevent the material from moving and expanding during your flight, saving your clothes and the rest of the gear inside your suitcase. And, you can save the plastic wrap. We have also taped lids shut with strong packing tape. However, it's easier to reuse plastic wrap than tape when you need to pack up and head home. Number 6. Help shoes pull double duty. Speaking of shoes, do you need to pack several different pairs for your trip? Or, is it necessary to buy a new pair for a short vacation? If possible, consider downsizing your footwear collection to save room in your luggage and make it as light as possible. One way to do so? Invest in high-quality insoles. You can slip these into your formal loafers or flats, and suddenly, they're more comfortable for everyday wear. Number 5. Stash items in shoes. Pressed for space in your luggage? Take a look inside your shoes. Yes, they eat up a lot of room, but you have to pack them, so you might as well make them as efficient as possible. This is a great place to stash smaller, more fragile items, like perfume bottles, to keep them protected during the flight. Number 4. Use a hotel shower cap to cover dirty shoes and wet bathing suits. Going somewhere that will put a little mud on your soles? It sounds like common sense, but it's easy to forget to bring a shoe bag. However, you can't just throw your clay-stained sneakers in the same bag as your fancy dinner clothes. If you didn't bring a proper storage bag, don't worry. Use the hotel shower cap sitting beside the complimentary soap and shampoo. Hotel shower cap hacks don't stop there. You can tie them around electronics to keep them dry or protect them from the sand at the beach. Number 3. Roll your clothes. The Marie Kondo method of rolling clothes does work when packing your suitcase. You can do it and take up even more space than packing a flat. Number 2. Pack an extra change of clothes in your carry-on in a ziplock. This is a handy tip, especially for those flying with kids. Spills happen and bags get lost, so an extra change of clothes in your carry-on can't hurt. Place your clothing in Ziploc bags and fold them as flat as possible. Before you seal each bag, force out as much air as possible. If a glass of orange juice gets upended on you mid-flight, put the soaked clothes in the Ziploc and seal it up. You'll be grateful for these bags if you get stuck with dirty diapers or just need a place to put some trash. Number 1. Use packing cubes. Unlike some packing tools, these aren't a flash in the pan gimmick. We've been using them for years. Packing cubes serve a very real and practical purpose, and as soon as you invest in a few, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Use them to help organize the items inside of your luggage, sorting by clothing type, color, or a range of other categories. This way, you don't have to dig through piles of clothes every day, wrinkling them in the process. Packing cubes also keep your clothes from touching the floor as you unpack, and they're great for storing your gear in dresser drawers when you arrive. Tip: use different color packing cubes for each member of the family. This helps keep everyone's belongings separate. Let us know what you think about the list in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.